Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this jblcharge 2 Bluetooth speaker. So I am going to show you how to tear this down. So let me show you. This is the GG series here. You can see sticker is there, GG series. So this is a jblcharge 2. So alright. So now to tear this down, we have to take out the mesh here. This is the metal mesh. So we have to pry it out. So simply by inserting some prying tool here, just by slowly lifting carefully, this will come out. Similarly on the top you can see. So this is the front mesh, metal mesh. So alright, I am going to keep this separately. So these are the drivers. This is GG series. So these are two drivers of 45 mm. So I am going to show you the measurement. So you can see from this point to this point where the rubber ring is there. So the size of the driver is 45 mm. So alright. So similarly we have to take out the back mesh here, metal mesh. So we have to pry it out again. So like this you can pry. So this is the back mesh here, using some cloth so that the dust will not accumulate inside this. Only the dust will accumulate on this metal grill here. So let me keep this here as well. So battery is behind this plastic cover. So for that we have to take out these two screws. So before that I am going to take out these base radiators. For that we have to remove the cover here, top cover. So for that there are two screws here and two screws here. So totally 4 screws for this top cover this side and 4 screws for this top cover on the other side. So let me remove that. These are the normal Phillips screws. You can use any screwdriver, the star one, plus one. Similarly, I am going to open here. So alright, now just by pulling this, the top cover should come like this. So again further to take out the base radiators, there are 4 screws here. We have to remove that. So these are the 4 screws here, just to take out the base radiators. So after removing this, just by slowly pulling it out, base radiators will come, base radiator will come. So this is the jblcharge 2 base radiator, you can see. So this is one side. Similarly we have to open the other side. So I am going to do that. So now we have to remove these 4 screws to take out the top cover. So alright, now 4 screws has been removed just by pulling it out. This part has come out. Again 4 screws for removing this base radiator. So this is GG series. There is one more series in charge too. So I am going to take out these 4 screws here. So that now slowly by lifting, this base radiator will come out. So you can see this is the other side of the speaker, so which has base radiator. Now you can see the motherboard and the drivers easily from these two sides. This is one side and this is the other side. So this cable is battery. The cable comes from battery which goes to the motherboard in this part. So let me remove the speaker drivers here. So for that we have to take out 4 plus 4, 8 screws. So alright. So now I am going to slowly lift this speaker driver, or else I am going to slowly push from inside, or else we can just pry it from here, it will come out. So that's it. So these are the two terminals of the driver. So slowly I am going to pull this so that it will come out. So this clip might be bit hard, so you have to slowly pry it using some screwdriver here, flat screwdriver like this. So I have taken out the minus here as well. So this is the main driver of the JBL Charge 2 Bluetooth speaker. So let me keep this separately. We have to, and similarly we have to slowly pry this driver here as well. So done. Now we have to take out the two wires here. So negative has smaller connector and the positive has the larger connector, so this is pretty easy to put it back. So let me take this out like this. Alright, so this is the other driver. So this is stereo, JBL Charge 2 is stereo speaker. So fine, now I am going to take out the connector of this battery. So this is the battery. So this I have taken out. Now I am going to take out these two screws so that we can take out this cover. Behind this there will be battery here. So alright. So screws has been removed. Now slowly I am going to pry it from here. So that's it. So this cover has been removed. Now I'm going to keep this separately. So this is the battery here. Slowly by lifting this side, battery will come out. So you can slowly pull this. This has been glued here just to block the air, that's it. So no problem here. This is just the glue. So you can see this is the battery which is of 6000 mAh. Macnair is the brand who supplies the battery to this JBL Charge 2 for this particular series, and model number is MLP 912995-2P. So rating is 3.7 volts, 6000 mAh battery, 22.2 watt-hour lithium polymer, made in China. This is the serial number. So this is the battery, Macnair new power co-limited. Further if you want you can pause the video and you can read this. So this is the original battery. I have original batteries of this JBL Charge 2 for sale. So if you want to buy this battery, I am from Bangalore. Please do message on this above WhatsApp number. The original batteries you will not get anywhere. In India it is very difficult to get these batteries. So I have these batteries as of now. So you can check the availability by doing message to this WhatsApp number. So alright, let me keep this battery separately. So now we have to take out we have to peel off this top control board. So this is covered using this rubberized material. So let me slowly pry this. It is glued here actually, glued very strongly. So don't break the board which is inside this rubberized part. Slowly try prying this like this. Once it comes out you can peel it off easily. So this is the top part. I'm going to keep this. There are two screws here. So after removing this, this board can be taken out. Further there will be flex cable connecting behind this control board to the motherboard. So let me take this out. You can see this has mic here as well. So this is the mic here. So you can take calls in this speaker. So alright, now further I am going to take out this connector. This is the mic which you have seen here. So this is the mic and the connector is going right here. So just I am going to slowly lift this like this, it will come out. And this is the connector which is gold coated. You can see this is antenna for Bluetooth. So without this connector the distance of the connection will not come properly. So this is the Bluetooth antenna cable, very tiny cable, very carefully you have to remove. You can see here Harman CH2 is written. This is the small sticker which is Bluetooth antenna actually here. So now I have removed this mic here as well. So further we have to take out, there is a one more control board, IO board. It is at the bottom here. So this is the micro USB for charging the speaker itself, and this is the auxiliary input where we can connect the 3.5 mm aux cable here so that you can listen the audio without using Bluetooth. And this USB doesn't have playback. This is just for charging your smart device or any gadget. So this is the power output. You cannot use any pen drive or Bluetooth pen drive or USB storage to play back the MP3 songs. No, it will not work here. This is only for power out. That is the reason the name of this Bluetooth speaker is jblcharge 2. So alright, so now we have to peel this off so that you can access the control board here. So I'm not going to remove further, just we have to remove 4 screws to take out this. That's it. Need to remove this further. So this part, it is just a cover here. I'm going to keep this, and you can see there is the control board here. You can replace this control board. Again the cable will go inside behind this to the motherboard. So now I am going to take out the other cables here, which is very difficult to show. Socket here. So I have removed this. And so you can see now there are further there are few sockets. I am not able to show here, but I am going to take this out. You can see there is a small tiny socket. This is for, so there will be one more two more connectors which goes, and you can see here this is the speaker socket. Sorry, so this is the speaker wire. So I have taken out the speaker wire here. So this is for this part. So USB is there, 3.5 mm jack is there, and micro USB is there. So there are few connections from that. I'm not going to lift this since we have already removed. You can see this wire running directly here from behind. So now only we have to remove this. So after removing that, we can pull out the motherboard, but there will be flex cable that we have to remove actually. So we have to hold the bottom part here and pull it like this. So that's it. And there is a flex cable here which is very difficult to show. So I'm going to peel off this control board slowly so that we can remove the flex cable from this board itself from behind. Should not take out completely. Slowly we have to peel off like this using this tool, sharp tool. So now you can see the flex cable. I'm just going to remove this just by slowly lifting upside. This cable will come out. That's it. This is the control board here. I'm going to keep this separately. Now I am going to push the motherboard from this side where the capacitors are connected. That is opposite to this battery connected part. So from this side I am going to push. You can see it will come out very easily. No need to put extra pressure, but just be careful that if something is in the way, then you may break that. So like this. So that's it. Everything is teared down here. This is the motherboard of jblcharge 2 Bluetooth speaker. You can see this is the Bluetooth module, and this is the charging IC. This has been bad here. So these are the capacitors, big capacitors. This has very heavy sound. This is the oscillator. So that's it. This is the back side. This is the audio IC. You can see. You can check out the number here. TPA3130 is the TPA3130 is the audio IC for stereo. So alright, so this is the back side of the jblcharge 2 Bluetooth speaker. So even I have jblcharge 2 base radiators for sale here. I have so many base radiators, but as of now limited stock, but if you want I can courier it to your place. I am from Bangalore. Even the battery which I have said earlier in this video, I have this battery. So most of the peoples will face crackling sound problem in this particularly GG series of JBL Charge 2 Bluetooth speaker. So if you want the drivers, I have the original drivers, which is very rare and it is not at all available in India. So it is available here with me in India, in Bangalore. So if you want to buy these original JBL Charge 2 drivers, original battery and original base radiators, even if the motherboard is required, control boards, mic, Bluetooth antenna, anything, if you want to buy this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So let me continue the video. So this is the complete teardown of JBL Charge 2 Bluetooth speaker. Precisely I have shown you how to tear this down. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.